Welcome to Tramscom Education. My name is Oscar Stringer. I'm an Apple Distinguished Educator, providing Apple professional development to schools. A feature of iOS is guided access. Guided access allows you, the teacher, to disable chosen features of any app on the iPad. Let's take a look at how we do this. Under Settings, in General, under the heading Accessibility, towards the bottom, there are a couple of features which will help teachers use the iPad with students with certain educational needs. The first one, guided access. I turn it on and I set a passcode that's just for the teacher. And I re-enter that passcode. And to start guided access, all the teacher has to do is triple click on the home button. So I'm going to use iMovie to demonstrate how guided access works. Because essentially guided access allows the teacher to minimize all the controls of the iPad. So here we have iMovie, and I'm going to add a piece of video. There we go, I have a piece of video, and I want the student to edit that piece of video. But I don't want the student to, if you like, add more video from the camera, or use the voiceover tool, or use music. So to prevent the student from accessing those features of the app, I just simply with one finger draw a circle around those options on the app. So I've drawn a circle around the camera and the mic, and now I'm drawing a circle around the musical note. And what this will do is lock out those options when I tap on Start in the top right hand corner. So when I tap Start now, we'll go back to using the app iMovie. And you can see in iMovie, those features have been grayed out. So the user can't add music, use the built-in mic, or use the video camera. But I can still play, I can still edit the video. So guided access can be used in a multiple of different ways, essentially to focus the students' minds. And to come out of it, we type in that passcode, select End, and guided access has ended. Very simple. The next feature, again under Accessibility, in Settings, is called Speak Selection. And some teachers find this really useful for students that have English as a second language. I've turned on Speak Selection, and I've selected a dialect, and I can move this slider for the speed, and I'm going to turn on Highlight Words. And this acts as a bit of a guided reading type feature. And I'm going to drag the speaking rate option so it's just below rate. Here we go. And now I'm going to select a book, an EPUB book in iBooks. Now this will work on any app that handles text. It's not just for iBooks, so it will work with Safari, it will work with Pages, and I'm going to select a speech by Banquo, tap on one word, and then with the pin that's facing down, select the whole speech, and I'm given the option to speak.
I dreamt last night
and now
of
we
the
have the
three
iPad
weird
doing
sisters.
Shakespeare.
To you they have showed some truth.
There we go. So that's Speak Selection. I can select one word and the app will speak that one word. If I tap and drag one finger, it will underline the text. So as I said earlier, that's built into the device. That's not just for iBooks. So it will allow any app that handles text to speak the text. For other great app ideas and to find out ways of using the iPad effectively in your school, contact Tramscom Education.